Hey guys, welcome here. In this lecture we'll finally start coding in Dart language. So without further waiting, let's start. Open your browsers and please navigate to dartpad.dartlang.org. You can find here environment where you can write Dart code without installing Dart SDK to your computers. Because this code is run in your browsers, it's a very good environment for testing and learning of a Dart language. Perfect. So I believe you are here in a DartPad. Maybe your environment looks a little bit different. I a little bit adjust it so you can see it more clear. So my font is bigger and also I have here more padding on the sides. Okay. So let's start. Here we can write on the left side Dart code. So let's start with writing some basics. So I will start with writing function main. Every Dart program has a function main. So right here, main, like this. Okay. Now when I will run this, nothing will happen because we have a main function. Dart environment is looking for a main function and it's trying to execute whatever is inside of a main function. And as you can see, there is nothing inside of a main function. Okay, so let's write here some very basic code. What we can write here is some console log. Okay, so in a Dart, you will write console log like this. Print. This is a function that takes a value. Okay, so we can provide here some value. And let's start with a hello world. So hello world, or rather hello Dart. Okay, this is our first program in a Dart, very simple one, and let's run it. Okay, and you can see here on the right side we can see hello Dart. So this is how Dart works. When we run here this button, when we click run button, Dart is looking for a main function. Okay, we have here main function, so Dart will find this main function and it's trying to execute it one line after another. So let's write here second print, and this will be hello world. Okay, so Dart is executing this main function and it's looking here. Okay, there is nothing here. Here is a second line and here is a print hello Dart. Okay. Dart will execute this function and it will print hello Dart here. All right, and then it will go to a second line and it will execute hello world. So you can see our code is working. Our program will reach end because there is no any more lines here and there is an ending bracket. So our program will finish and that's it. Okay, guys. So this was just a very simple start. I didn't talk much about the functions, about variables, and I will fix it in a next lecture where we will start with variables. Okay guys, so that's it, and I hope to see you in the next lecture.